Red tide is a common name for a phenomenon known as algal bloom when it is caused by a few species of dinoflagellates and the bloom takes on a red or brown color. Red tides are events in which marine or freshwater algae accumulate rapidly in the water column, resulting in coloration of the surface water. When the algae are present in high concentrations, the water appears to be discolored or murky, varying in color from purple to almost pink, normally being red or green. Not all algal blooms are dense enough to cause water discoloration, and not all discolored water associated with algal blooms are red. Additionally, red tides are not typically associated with tidal movements of water, hence the preference amongst scientists to use the term algal bloom. Some red tides are associated with the production of natural toxins, depletion of dissolved oxygen, or other harmful effects, and are generally described as harmful algal blooms. The most conspicuous effects of these kinds of red tides are the associated wildlife mortalities of marine and coastal species of fish, birds, marine mammals, and other organisms. The occurrence of red tides in some locations appears to be entirely natural.
Algal blooms are a seasonal occurrence resulting from coastal upwelling, a natural result of movement of a certain ocean currents.
While in others, they appear to be a result of increased nutrient loading from human activities. The growth of marine phytoplankton is generally limited by the availability of nitrates and phosphates, which can be abundant in agricultural runoff as well as coastal upwelling zones. Coastal water pollution produced by humans and systematic increase in the seawater temperature have also been implicated as contributing factors in red tides. Other factors such as iron-rich dust influx from large desert areas such as the Sahara Desert are thought to play a major role in causing red tides. Some algal blooms on the Pacific coast have also been linked to occurrences of large-scale climatic oscillations such as El Niño events. Red tides are blooms of dinoflagellates, a type of single-celled algae, and yes, sometimes they are toxic. They depend on various nutrients, most importantly nitrate, phosphate, and iron, as well as needing other things like enough warmth. This can happen naturally, like due to the wind carrying iron-rich sand from the Sahara out to sea. Or it can happen due to things we've done. Example, from fertilizers coming down and building up in rivers. So the simplest and the most important thing we can do to minimize red tides is to not overuse fertilizers.